This is the cassowary. Known as the world's most dangerous bird, the cassowary is a creature of striking beauty and incredible danger, straight out of the dense rainforests of Australia and New Guinea. Let's dive into what makes this bird so extraordinary. Standing up to 6 feet tall and weighing as much as 150 pounds, the cassowary is like no bird you've seen before. With vivid blue skin, fiery red wattles, and a mysterious helmet-like structure on its head known as a casque, it looks like a mix of prehistoric dinosaur and tropical warrior. And those claws, the cassowary's 3-foot feet have dagger-like claws, with one claw on each foot reaching up to 5 inches long. Sharp and curved, these claws are capable of inflicting serious injury, even fatal blows. This is where the cassowary earns its reputation. But let's talk about that helmet. The casque is a unique feature, and scientists have debated its purpose for decades. Some believe it helps the cassowary move through dense forest without getting tangled in vines and branches. Others think it's used in courtship displays or to assert dominance among other cassowaries. Recent studies even suggest the casque might serve to amplify sounds or help regulate body temperature. But whatever its purpose, it's one of nature's most impressive headpieces. Now, unlike most birds you know, the cassowary isn't a social animal. It's solitary, shy, and secretive. You won't see cassowaries flocking together. They roam the rainforests alone, each maintaining its own territory. Despite its fierce appearance, the cassowary is actually an omnivore. It mostly feasts on fallen fruit, berries, and mushrooms. Some even call it the rainforest gardener because it plays a crucial role in spreading seeds. The cassowary's digestive system can handle seeds from over 100 different plant species, which are then deposited throughout the forest, helping the ecosystem thrive. But they're not just eating plants. Cassowaries have been known to eat small animals, insects, and even carrion if food is scarce. They're resourceful and adaptable, doing whatever it takes to survive in their dense, competitive rainforest home. Now let's get into why the cassowary is known as the world's most dangerous bird. Cassowary attacks on humans are rare, but they're no joke. When cornered or threatened, a cassowary can leap into the air, using those powerful legs to strike with its claws. In some cases, the blow is strong enough to break bones or cause fatal wounds. Their kick can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, and their sharp claws can puncture deep wounds, making any encounter with a cassowary potentially deadly. Most cassowary attacks happen when people get too close, either intentionally or by accident. But the cassowary doesn't attack out of aggression. It's a bird of defense, fiercely protective of itself and its young. It's a reminder of just how powerful and untamed nature can be. When it comes to family life, cassowaries are surprisingly unique. The females are larger and more dominant than the males, often mating with multiple partners and leaving the males to raise the offspring. After laying a clutch of 3 to 5 large, greenish eggs, the female leaves the scene. The male takes over, incubating the eggs for nearly 2 months without any help from the female. And after the chicks hatch, the male guards them, teaching them to find food and navigate the forest. The chicks will stay with their father for up to a year, learning the ways of the forest before they're ready to venture off on their own. But despite its intimidating reputation, the cassowary is a vulnerable species. Habitat loss, hunting, and car accidents are some of the biggest threats they face. As the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea shrink, so does the cassowary's territory. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these rainforests, but the cassowary's future remains uncertain. Programs aim to preserve their habitat, limit deforestation, and even use road signs to warn drivers of cassowary crossings. But much of their survival depends on our awareness and respect for their place in the ecosystem. So, next time you hear the term most dangerous bird, think of the cassowary, a creature that's ancient, essential, and astonishingly powerful. It's a bird that has earned its reputation not because of aggression, but because of resilience and strength. The cassowary is a reminder that some of nature's most remarkable creatures are the ones that demand distance and respect. Because while this bird may be a gardener of the rainforest, it's also a guardian of it, defending its turf with everything it has.